Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Venmo and Apple Pay. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com. This is the official URL that you're going to open up on your mobile phone. Just go and download the Venmo application and open it up. So once you have done so, now we can get started. The first thing we need to do to connect those two is to log into our Venmo account. So if you do not already have a Venmo account, what you want to do is register for one. You can register for one by clicking the Get Venmo option right here in the upper right corner. That's going to enable you to register on your mobile phone. Just continue with your phone number and get started creating your account. So after doing so, now we can get started. After you have logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page. The home page is going to look like this. This is your Venmo main page from where we can get started accessing everything we need. All the sections such as the home section right here, cards, crypto, and so on, all of that is available at the bottom of the screen. And now we can get started adding Venmo to Apple Pay. So how can we do so? As you can see here, we have the steps on what we need to do. Basically, we're going to go and apply for a Venmo debit card or credit card. Once we have gotten our Venmo credit card, we can get started with adding it to Apple Pay by opening up our wallet and clicking to add a debit or credit card we want to use. But how do you apply for a card? Well, easily right here on the official Venmo site on from the application directly, you can scan this code right here. You can get started with applying for a debit card. Is going to enable you to earn cash back, spend your Venmo balance with no monthly fees and no minimum balance. So it's all going to be available right here. This is going to be your Venmo card that you are going to go and be able to add to Apple Pay by yourself and into your wallet that you can then spend money from and so on. And all of that is going to be available right here with this card. So you can just add it like any other card in the card section. Once you've gotten your Venmo option, you can go and add it in your wallet, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.